It's really a simple process. If you've got a screwdriver, typically, a nut driver, maybe a pair of pliers, almost any of those, you will be able to replace the water valve. It's not hard. Take the panels, get the panels off, lid off, whatever it is, machine. They're typically at the back. Make sure you shut the water valve off. You're not gonna disconnect the hose and spray yourself. Once you take that off, there's hoses that are attached to the inlet. Take those off. Pull the electrical connections off. They'll just slide off. They're just a easy slide, and you'll be able to pull that whole valve out, put a new one in, and reconnect it. It shouldn't take you 10 minutes to be able to do that. And we see a lot of those. I mean, we sell a lot of water valves and water, not just valves, but also repair kits for them. One of two things. One, you're not getting any water, or two, it just never stops flowing. And that's the best way to tell. When you open up the washer and you hear water running, you got a water valve that needs to be replaced, or at least a repair kit put inside the guts of it to fix it. So you'll get that as like no water coming into the basket, or it just never shuts off.